Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage security setting in Proton Mail. Proton Mail is designed to provide strong privacy and security for email communication. However, to keep account fully protected, it is important to regularly review and manage the security settings available in the Proton Mail. First, what you can do is open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an option with the address bar. Type down proton.me and enter it. Over here you need to click onto the sign in the top right, and once you get into this interface, go to your mail, and while the mail loads, when it's open, you need to go to this setting icon in the top right and click onto this all setting. Over here, once you get into this interface of your setting, in the left hand side we can find the security and privacy. You need to click onto the security and privacy over here. Over here you can manage important security features such as dark web monitoring. Just monitor the dark web for the instances where your personal information such as email address is leaked or compromised. You get notified if your password or other personal data is leaked. Simply toggle it on, which needs updated version. You can also revoke any of the other session management as well. If you want account monitor enabling detailed events, you can do that as well, and it will automatically save it. And that is it. This is how you can manage security setting. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.